Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best in product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special in the spotlight: the Boss Audio Systems R1100M Riot Series Car Audio Subwoofer Amplifier. And let me tell you right away, this is hands down one of the best amplifiers for your car audio system that you can find in the market. Stick around to find out why. First things first, let's talk about what makes the Boss R1100M Riot amplifier stand out from the crowd. This monoblock amplifier is a powerhouse, offering an incredible 1100 watts of max power at 2 ohms and 550 watts at 4 ohms. That's a lot of power for your car's audio system, ensuring you get that deep, punchy bass and crystal clear sound. Now, let's delve into the technology behind this amplifier. It features Class A/B topology, which means it combines the best of both worlds. Class A amplifiers provide an enormous amount of current flow without an audio signal, while Class B amplifiers have no current flow without a signal. The result? Exceptional sound quality and efficiency. Another standout feature is the MOSFET power supply. MOSFET stands for Metal Oxide Semiconductor Field Effect Transistor, and it's an electrical switch that controls the output voltage and current with incredible precision. This results in minimal energy loss and eliminates secondary feedback circuitry, ensuring you get the most efficient and powerful performance. The Boss R1100M also offers flexibility when it comes to input options. It has both low-level and high-level inputs, accommodating various signal sources, from your receiver to your amplifier and speakers. This means you can easily integrate it into your existing car audio setup. Sound customization is a breeze with this amplifier. It features a variable low-pass crossover, allowing you to fine-tune the frequencies that pass through to your subwoofer. Plus, it has a switchable bass boost, allowing you to adjust the low bass within the boost range to your liking. So, whether you're a bass enthusiast or prefer a more balanced sound, this amplifier has you covered. But that's not all. There's also a variable input gain control. Now, don't confuse this with volume control. It adjusts the amount of signal coming from your receiver to the amplifier. It's all about achieving optimal performance without distortion. You're probably wondering about durability. Well, this amplifier has got you covered with features like thermal overload protection and short circuit protection. It's built to last and protect your investment. To sum it up, the Boss Audio Systems R1100M Riot Series Car Audio Subwoofer Amplifier is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their car audio system. It offers power, efficiency, flexibility, and customization options that are hard to beat in its price range. So, if you're ready to take your car's audio system to the next level, click on the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible amplifier. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques just like this one. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next video.